Hey, this is Travis, the TAO Templar. This is a miner overview for Bittensor. First, let's review how Bitcoin mining works. In Bitcoin, mining consists of buying specialized machines with specialized hardware to guess the next Bitcoin lottery number. The first miner to broadcast to the rest of the network the winning number wins. In Bittensor, mining is very valuable, specialized work. We have miners and validators. Miners do the work, validators check the work. Work is different between each subnet. The storage subnet will require you to have a machine with high bandwidth and storage capacity. The price prediction subnet will require you to have a strong knowledge of trading. The ads subnet will require you to have marketing knowledge. The AI subnets will require you to have some AI knowledge. Miners are rewarded for doing their subnet's unique work. Right now, the maximum number of nodes within a subnet is 256. Most of those are miners, with a couple dozen being validators. So let's go through what is required for setting up a miner in order. First, you'll want to choose a subnet. They're all vastly different. Consider mining a subnet with less competition and therefore lower registration fees. The trade-off here though is that a new subnet owner probably has a less stable subnet and poorer documentation, which can be difficult when you're first starting out. So there's a trade-off there. Then jump on the subnet's Discord. There's a lot of information there. You can read through past messages, find some nuggets of wisdom. Then if you click in Discord at the top on the pinned messages, every subnet has documentation and you can find it in the pinned messages. Read through that. Once you've read through it, try running the code locally. Make sure it will run on your computer. Next, you'll want to look at renting a cloud miner from AWS, Azure, etc. You're going to use the information you got from the documentation to figure out what sort of machine you'll need to rent from the cloud provider. Highly recommended to not buy something right away until you're more confident about the specs that you'll need. Next, you're going to want to get that cloud miner running on the Testnet. Testnet is a great way to get comfortable with the CLI and just confirm that everything's going to work when you go to the mainnet. Then you're going to pay your registration fee. The registration fee can range from 0.1 TAO to 10 TAO, depending on the competition within your subnet. Once you've paid that registration fee, you can finally get mining. You can monitor your miner using the CLI or taostats.io. And then the very last step is forever optimize. As I said before, when you read the documentation, you find that the base code for the miner is included there, publicly available. The code for the validators is there. You can privately add whatever special sauce you might want to your miner's code, as long as it satisfies the validator code when it goes to check your work. So to make more money, consider the type of machine that you're getting. Maybe you're overspending and you don't need one as powerful as you bought, or you need something more powerful to get more rewards. Then code optimization, like modifying the base miner code, as I said earlier. And then maybe you've got some sort of special sauce, you've got access to some non-public database that you can use to train on, some special thing that you've got that nobody else has. Mining is highly competitive. Other miners will be making the improvements that I mentioned and other ones if they can think of any. This leads to one dynamic to be aware of. You'll get help in the Discord from subnet owners, but you're not going to get help from other miners. They're disincentivized to help a new miner get set up. This competition means that in the next year on larger subnets, each individual miner will likely become a full-fledged business with employees. You're already seeing this on the Bitcoin price prediction subnet, Taoshi Subnet 8. So if you're a dedicated developer who's excited about a particular subnet, jump in and start mining. It may well be a path to owning your own business one day, and there's a crap load of opportunity within Bittensor. If you're checking Reddit or YouTube, you won't see that activity. If you're checking Twitter or Discord especially, you will. There is a lot of activity going on in all the various subnet channels within the Bittensor Discord. Thank you.